So, I have a new paper airplane design. It's two tips coming out of the base, fuselage, if you will. Big wings, nice winglets. Glides really great. If you're throwing it on a slanted, like just even slightly slanted, like maybe like that type of land, it'll go on for a while. If you're throwing it on a flat area like this, you're gonna wanna throw it hard and up a little bit. Like maybe not that hard, maybe medium and up a little bit. And it'll go up and just glide and do like little waves. Spin it and it'll spin around and stuff. It's a very nice glider. I like it. Let's get started. Alright. You might need a roller with this one. Let me up this so you can see what I'm doing better. I'm sorry if I'm moving this a lot. You have to see what I'm doing. Do the basic water bomb fold. Just fold this edge to this edge and make like a little line down there. Coming to a point. Folds on this one have to be pretty precise too, but other than that, it's a very easy glider to make. Alright, unfold and do the same for the other side. Unfold, and you still have this thing up right here. Just push it down. Match the tip up with this little crease down here on both sides with the tip of the crease. And then fold right in the middle of the X that should be in the paper for precise water bomb. Open that up, fold one bottom triangle in. There'll be a middle crease right here. Push that out. Fold the other bottom triangle in. Push the top triangle out. Push down and flatten everything out. And there. One pretty precise water bomb fold. Alright, now just fold this tip down here to this tip up here. Make sure to get that exact. Unfold that. Fold this edge to this little crease you just made. Okay. And then after you got that, unfold that little thing, open it up, and push this, there'll be like a little crease line right there, into the middle line right there. Close that back up. Here, I'll bring it up here to show you better. Alright, it was like this. You open it, push that down, and close it back up, and then fold it along the crease you made during the first fold from tip to tip, and then just fold it up like that, and there. Now do the same for the other side. I'll explain it again if you didn't quite get that. Tip, tip to tip, precise. Unfold, edge to crease. Open that up. Push this down the top part. Close it back up. And fold it up again. So you get look like that. And then fold this part down as far down as you can. These little tips will restrict you. Alright, and then right here, fold this tip back up to there in the middle. Flatten everything out. And then flip over to the part where you have these things and fold in half there. Alright, take your ruler. I mean, you don't really need the ruler, but you can just eye it, but it goes way better if you take the ruler and do it. And then fold the wing down right there from the bottom, a ½ inch. It'll be half of an inch of a fold from the top. You can mark that with a pencil, or you can just eye it again. And make sure that fold is straight all the way down to the bottom, back of the plane. Here, I almost did not show this step for some reason. Alright, do the same on the other side. And just to do this, just copy. Alright, you want to make the winglets, and then you're gonna do again, just a ½ inch, just right there. Just fold the winglets ½ inch up each. Equal, just pull them out, like that, and then pull this out, pull this up, and then when you are holding it, you want it to have that shape, and then when it's out, you want it to be like straight flat across with those straight up. So you can adjust that to how you need. Just turning this way and you don't want it to, just like add an elevator here, and if it's turning this way and you don't want to, add an elevator here, which is just a little bend up. I don't need those. And there you go. I could call it the Manta if you want the Manta. Okay, that's good. Alright, I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you enjoyed flying. Do this every time. I hope you enjoyed folding the paper airplane. I hope you enjoy flying it. Thank you for watching the video. If you liked it, subscribe. I have new paper airplane videos and every week, stuff like that. New design every week. So, yeah. Bye.